One problem is that our header not display. Open up our code editor inside base.html. Where include this header after this block content inside, but it will take before block of content. This is header part. Sorry for it. Our file. Now you can refresh our browser. Now you can see this is beautiful header display. If I click blog, is not found 404. Open up our browser. Open up our header.html. Under this href index.html, it will take that include our index.html. Inside blog.html, we are going to pass /blog, and this post.html file also changed post, and we don't create our contact page. We will be created in future video. Don't scared about it. It will take hash. Okay. Now Ctrl S to save. Open up our browser. Refresh our browser. Now go to blog. Okay, now again try to refresh our blog. You can see this is working. Now go to post. This is also working. Go back our home. This is slash. Ctrl S to save. Try to open up our browser and refresh it. This is home, and this is our logo working. You can try to check working well. This is our recent post section. Category, title. This is post title, and this is going to be excerpt of our post. This is featured image, author profile, author name, date and time stamp, comments, also icon display here. Now we are going to create our Django model. For that single post, open up our code editor. Now we are going to close all editor. This is our blog app. Under this blog app, open up our models.py file. Class post models.Model. Title of our post models.CharField. max length. It will take 100. It will take 100 characters. Excerpt models dot text field. Time stamp or date time field. Auto now add equal true. Comment count models dot integer field. It will take default 0. Inside our model, what are going to be created? Open up our browser. This is title. This is title model character field. Excerpt. This is excerpt. Timestamp. This is timestamp. You can check auto now add. By default, it will update. Comment count is counting. Now we are going to add author. Before create our author model, we need to use get user model. In that case, from django.contrib.auth get user model. User equal get user model. Now we are going to create author class. Models.Model. On delete, models.CASCADE. Now we are come back our post model. Now we can create our author, models dot foreign key, author on delete, models dot cascade. Now we are going to create our thumbnail. All models dot image field. Similar thing that we are going to upload our author picture. In that case, profile pic, models dot image field, Control S to save. Okay, we need to find ping self, return self dot title, Control S to save. Cannot import name get user model, typo error, and also you can see here. Okay. Okay, now we need to install Pillow. Now under our author plus, define string self, return self dot user dot username. Now we are going to create another class category, field. We will take max length 20, dot title, Now we are going to create our category. You can see our error below. It will happen when we are call image field. So Ctrl C to close our terminal. Now we need to install pillow. Hit pip install pillow. Hit enter. Now we can create our requirements.txt file. Hit txt. Hit enter. Now under our project root directory, you can see requirements.txt file. These libraries were installed for our Django web application. Now we need to make migration. Python manage.py make migrations. Hit enter. And again Python manage.py migrate. Hit enter. Now we are going to run our server. Hit Python manage.py run server. Hit enter. Our project successfully running. Okay. Our models now pretty much okay now. Now again we are going back our models.py. Models dot boolean field. Now Ctrl S to save and close our server. Ctrl C to break our terminal. Again we need to migrations. Hit Python manage.py make migration. Hit enter. After getting this pop-up, hit option 1 enter. After getting this prompt, type true. Now we need to migrate. Every time when you are make migration, definitely you need to migrate. Now I'm going to run my server again. Hit python manage.py run server. Now you can see our server run. Again, Ctrl C to break our server. We need to create our super user. In that case, python manage.py create super user, hit enter. It will take your username. In my case, Numan. It will take your email address. You need to provide your password. Again, type your password. Hit Y, enter. Now we're going to run our server. Hit python manage.py run server. Open up our browser. // admin, enter. It will redirect Django admin panel. Our username, password, now hit login. This is our Django administration panel. First thing first, open up our code editor. Open up our admin.py file. This is under our blogapp. Open up admin.py. Models. Import author, story, post. Author, admin.site, Open up our browser, refresh our admin panel. You can see our blog app included authors, categories, post. Now open up author. Add author. Click here. User. Noman. Admin. I can choose my profile picture. Click here. Hit save button. Now open up our categories. Under categories, at the right top corner, hit add category, category title. And add a lot of category that you need. AWS Cloud, hit save button. Now under post, we can add post. Hit post. At the top right corner, hit a post button to create a post. You will take title, in that case post. It will take excerpt. We can create on our comment. Author can to select post thumbnail. You can choose anything. It will Django CMS category, and this is also featured post. Save this post. This is our first post. Similarly, we can create another post. Our second post. This is our second post. This is my third post. This is third post. overview. This is cloud, featured, save. Now open up our code editor, close this tab and also close this. Inside under our blog app, open up views.py file. Import post. Inside our index, query set. Now we are going to call our post model dot objects dot filter featured equal to. Now we are going to create context. Now we are remove this empty context, pass this context here. Now Control S to save. Open up our index.html file. Scroll down. This is post section. Click in here. Control S to save. Open up our browser and now open up our local server. Scroll down. You can see query set. This is our first post, second post, and this is going to be third post. Open up our code editor. Now instead of passing this object list, we are going through a loop. Now instead of this, we are going to create now I'm going to create a loop. This single post div close here. Post. and also second post. This div is for container. Yeah. Now this is our first post. This is title. Object dot title. Now instead of using two categories here, we are going to comment out and for now this is paragraph. Object dot now you can see a butter. This is going to be a static instead of static URL. Object dot author dot profile pic. At the end we need to pass URL because this is the URL of the image. Under this small tag, instead of static, dynamically we can call our author object dot author. Now you can see 2 months ago. It will take dot post thumbnail URL object dot our browser, refresh our browser. Now you can see this is our post. This is our third post, second post, first post. So author image, author name, date and time, comments, post thumbnail. Now we need to fix with our template. This design goes to replace here. Now our post design need to change. For that, this is image. This is going to be featured post. Now we are start a loop here. Loop dot first or for loop dot last. Now the one loop and for. Now copy this. Now this is our loop. Start here. After this plus paste our loop here. If not, this is spelling mistake. For loop here also for loop. Instead of for and not for loop last. Control S to save. This loop will if featured post display first, then working or not. Now refresh our browser. Sorry for that. This is we are going with if statement. So for that, and if. Similarly here, and if. Control S to save. Now you can refresh your browser. You can see our recent post design come back. Now scroll down. This latest from the blog. We need to display here also our post. It will take first post, second and third. So far, open up our views.py file under blogapp. Now we don't need to pass query set. It will take featured. Now we are create latest. Before we are create this recent. This is also called featured. So now we are on latest. For that, we are going to pass negative timestamp. And our post count 3. Now we are going to pass context. Latest. It will take latest. Control is to save. Now open up our index.html file. Scroll down. This is latest post section. Begin here. You can see this div take first post and this is second, this is third post. So we are going to delete this div and also delete this. This is first latest post. After this div row, we are going to start for loop for latest. And we are close our and for. Control S to save. Similar thing that we need to do here, like featured post. We will take hash and this is post URL, featured post URL. In that case, we are going to call object.thumbnail.url. Now you can see timestamp. can call style. Now this is category. For cat in object dot category dot all. Now we need to close our end for. And this going to be cat. It will take title, must be a excerpt, pass object dot accept, Control S to save. Open up our browser, refresh our browser. Now you can see this is our third post, second post, and this is first post display here. This means this is working well. Scroll down. This is newsletter section. Now we are going to create our newsletter. Open up our code editor. Open up our terminal. Control C to close our terminal. Python manage.py startup. Our app name marketing. Hit enter. Now you can see our marketing app created. This folder, open it. Now first thing first, we need to include our marketing under this project folder. This is our Django project, Numan Web. Open it under settings, inside installed app. Now we need to run our server. Python manage.py run server, hit enter. Now inside our marketing app, open up our models.py file. Create our sign up class. Models.Model. It will take email, models.ImageField, and also take timestamp, models.datetime field. It will take auto now add to define string 12 dot email. Control S to save. Now open up our blogapp under views.py. From marketing dot models, import sign up. If request dot method post email equal to request dot post it will take email new sign up, new sign up dot email equal email, new sign up dot save, Ctrl S to save. Inside our index.html, scroll down. This is newsletter section. Begin here. This is a form. It will take CSRF token. The form action, it will going to be dot. This means current action. Input type email, name email, ID email, placeholder, type your email address. This is done. Ctrl S to save. Now open up our browser. Refresh our browser. This is newsletter. Type our email. Hit subscribe button here. You can see typing mistake inside our model. Open up our views.py. Ctrl S to save. Our server run well. Another error. Inside views.py, if request, Ctrl S to save. Now refresh our browser. Now open up our code editor under marketing, admin.py, form.models, import signer. Now we need to register admin.site.register, sign up, Ctrl S to save, open up our browser, go back our admin dashboard, refresh our admin. Now under admin section you can see marketing. Inside sign up, click here. This operational error at admin marketing sign up. This error happens exception below no sustainable marketing sign up because we need to migrate, because we create a new model. When you create a model, definitely you need to make migration. For that, Python manage.py and again need Python manage.py migrate, hit enter. Now we can run our server, Python manage.py run server, hit enter. Open up our index.html file. Inside this form action, also we need to pass method, that is post. Ctrl S to save. Now open up our browser. Again refresh our browser. Open up signups. You can see 0 signups. Don't worry. Now scroll down. Inside newsletter, type our email address. Hit subscribe button here. Now open up our admin panel. Inside sign up, open it. Now you can see this subscriber Gmail display here. Click on it. Okay. You can getting all of subscriber email address here. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, you can check out our playlist. Future video will make dynamic content and also activate our contact page and also contact form. After that, we are going to be deploy this web application for free with AWS Cloud. Stay with us, follow our channel. Thank you.